Yes, indeed. We back with another one, man. Hey, we back with another one. I told y'all every single day I'm going in on Dolo. I'm going in, man. I'm in a great mood. Always in a great mood, man. I might hit y'all with the motivation today. Look, wake up in a great mood all the time. Like, people think I be playing when I say I wake up every day smiling. How you start your day 9 times out of 10 is how you gonna end your day. You in control of your day at the end of the day. Not nobody else. I don't care if somebody make you mad during your day. You in control on how your day end and how you deal with that. So you just keep that in mind now. You start out with positive energy and a positive vibe, you're gonna end with a positive vibe. So that's my real talk for today. Give it to y'all early. But as y'all can see by the thumbnail, got everything I need to put the gas tank back. So now I'm about to be showing y'all the differences, cause it's a lot of differences. I'm about to be showing y'all the differences in the sending units, in the tank, and all of that. So without further ado, let's get into it. And like I said, I'm gonna be putting it in right there, cause y'all saw the last video. I took the cover off the rear end. I actually got all that stuff. I didn't make it to the parts store that same day, and I told y'all I'm gonna wait, cause I got a cover coming, a big boy aluminum cover. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna show y'all the fluid I got and the additive and all that stuff when I get to doing that and do that video. And I might end up taking the whole rear end out the car actually to get that wheel stuff fit, cause it'll be easy. It ain't nothing but 6 bolts to drop a rear end, so I might do that too. But that's another talk. Let's get into it. All right, so first you want to prep. Do your prep work. You gotta get your sending unit in the tank, of course. Like I said, I ain't even bust the tank out the box. But like I said, it looks the same, but it ain't the same. Alright, so we got the new sending units. Lock ring. And man, I know. It better be in here, man. It's already on there. Cool. I like this one better. Ain't that much got to be done. But this your lock ring and your gasket. You see, you got to have your gasket on there. It's your lock ring. It's a whole lot simpler. And this the new sending unit. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Now hold on. We're gonna make it work. Boom, boom. There it is. All right. So this the new unit. This all it is, man. It's all it is. 2 lines. You got your main line and your return. You can see where they go. If you're confused as to which is which, just trace it. That's all you gotta do. Trace it. You see there too? See where that top one go down? That's your main line right there. Run into the pump. Run down into the tank where the gas gonna be, and that right there is your return. And then that's just your ground. That's a ground. That's all it is. You ground that to the car somewhere, to the chassis. Put your nice little screw in there and ground that. Good to go. But this is it. It's simple. You just pop this in. That's all you do. You just pop this in, man, and stick it down in there and put the lock ring on. Of course, make sure your lines are facing the right way. I'll show y'all that when I get the tank out, and then we pop it in, and that's it. It's pretty simple. So I'm about to do that. Then we're gonna get the new fuel line on there. I actually wish I went ahead and mounted my fuel pump too, cause I'm gonna have to be cutting the fuel holes and stuff. I bought 8 feet of it, so I got more than enough. But I'm gonna use this piece. Now this return piece. What I do with it? Right there. Here we go. So I got 8 feet of fuel line. Overkill. Like I said, when I get ready to go big boy stuff, I'm gonna take all that out again and go braid it. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing that. New fuel line. So I'm about to get this set up, get this out the box. Then I'm gonna show y'all all of that. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. Something else I want to point out to y'all too. Them tabs right there, you're gonna want to fold them up, cause you can sometimes run into problems. At least we did put in a new gas tank before, but just fold them up. It don't hurt nothing. That's what I do. I fold them up. So I done folded them up. You ain't gotta fold them up a lot. And like I said, all we gotta do literally is drop the sending unit in, and you want your lines your lines got to be pointing back out that way, not this way. Your lines go out this way. So basically the unit drops in the tank like this, and the line's gonna be facing out that way. So that's all you gotta do. So I'm gonna set the camera up, show y'all how to do that. And you need a hammer and a big flathead screwdriver.
Yeah.
All right, look, I forgot to tell y'all too, this all you need. Y'all saw it in the clip too. To a flathead screwdriver, one kind of long, wide. And a hammer, it don't have to be a real big hammer, cause you just tapping lightly. Like I said, you want to make sure that come around and meet that, and that's it. The rest of it, plug and play. You put that on. You put that on. Look at that, Teeny. Wait a minute. These kids, boy, they just interrupt your video, man. Teeny don't. Look at Teeny. Put on Teeny. You want to say something? What you gonna say for the YouTube?
Something, Teeny.
Look, I don't understand them. She want to talk with them doing my tape, now she don't want to say nothing. But anyway, y'all, we're going to catch y'all under the car, so I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey, y'all. I swear, man, this is the best thing ever. Best thing I ever bought right there, boy. I had to retire the impact on, boy. This is the best thing ever. I'm telling you, I done used this. I done used this thing here so much. I just bought it last week. I done used it about 4 or 5 times for real. Real quick. But like, that's what I do, man. I make it simple. I get everything I need. Man, look at that junk. It's still dripping oil in. You know I smelled this stuff. So I'm gonna wipe that little spot up, so I ain't gonna be lead in that. And bring the tank over here, jack the tank up, get a light so I can do it by myself. And we can make it happen. So we got it all prepped, like I said, ready. Bad boy. About to slide on in there real quick, and we're gonna make it happen. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I'm under the car. I'm putting this other piece of fuel line on, cause I never did it on this side, on this end of the metal. So I'm putting the fuel line on there, 3/8, the line that's gonna run to the tank, getting that ready. So that's all going on right here, getting that done. Then we're gonna jack this tank up, slide the straps around it, and we're gonna get to it. So after I get this done, I catch y'all in the next clip, probably do some B-roll. So stay tuned. Alright, so y'all saw that. Well, that was that was interesting. But that's how you get a gas tank in by yourself. One man army. Y'all see it. It's in there though, new gas tank. Everything in there good. So let's see it. Still gotta do the rear end. Y'all see that cover? Look how that cover cleaned up too. That cover cleaned up actually pretty good. Better than I expected, but still putting that big boy aluminum cover on there, cause it lighter and everything. And something I was thinking about, I slick should have painted that gas tank, cause it ain't gonna stay like that. That's why I have a coating on it, or I should have put a clear coat or something on it. Keep it from, you know, rusting and all that, but oh well, it's in there now. New gas tank. Only thing I gotta do is put the finishing touches on it. Let me show y'all. All I gotta do is put the finishing touch, finishing piece on it, which I got right here. Boom, boom. This is all we need right here. Yes, indeed. New gas cap. Might as well do the new gas cap and everything. Everything else new. So that's it, man. I mean, look, man, when you buy yourself, sometimes you gotta make stuff happen. And I mean, it wasn't no gas in the gas tank, so it wasn't heavy at all. I mean, it was pretty light. So yeah, boy, they right here like putting the lighting the candles on the birthday cake. There you go. We got the new gas tank in there. Yes, boy, I might change that too, man. See, I be looking at little stuff like this. It behind the tag, but still, I be looking at stuff like that. I know it's there. I probably change that. I'm telling y'all, 2020 box Chevy. So, next plans, like I said, we got the gas tank in, new center unit, all that good, and I'm waiting on the rear end cover to come in for that. I'm waiting on the rear end cover to come in so I can do that and put the fluid back in there, put you know, seal it back up. All of that, I'll be showing y'all that video, cause I gotta show y'all the positive traction additive and all that. Then we're gonna be moving to put the studs on. Put the studs. I'm gonna go ahead. I took my factory stud back, cause like I said, I got a feeling them kids going ham, boy. I got a feeling well, for one, I want stronger studs anyway, so I'm gonna run the Moser 3-inch studs, 1/2 inch by 20. So I'm gonna get some of them and I'm gonna do all that. So I got that coming. So yeah. Yes, I see. Go throw it somewhere. Man, they won't let me live, man. So that's what we got going on, man. That's it for this video. Like I said, I hope y'all about to follow. Hope y'all been enjoying me getting it in on this box Chevy, man. I'm putting it together piece by piece. I got the radio install coming, all of that. Yes, I'm finna put the radio in. I'm gonna do everything. When this key turn, man, I'm gonna be almost there. I'm talking about all of this finna get done. The deck, we finna get the deck cut, everything, the whole 9, and the interior. Like I said, all of this, I'm telling y'all, I got some videos coming. It ain't bad as it look. I done looked it over. It's not bad as it look. Y'all gonna want to see that video. When I do the interior video, look at it now. I want y'all to look at it now. Get a good look at it. Cause with all that, and then right here, I really need to throw this away. I might take this. I might well take this out. I'm gonna take this to the dumpster. I won't be using this though. I definitely won't be using it. It had a good life while it lasted, but I won't be using that right there. They're going in the trash. I'm gonna take that to the dumpster right now. But y'all see the seats in here? The back seat is in the back. Y'all see the console right there, but I probably ain't even gonna have that in there. I got another one. But yeah, y'all gonna see that video. Y'all see the carpet? This ain't real carpet now. This is actually like speaker box carpet. All this about to come out, and you'll be surprised how much new carpet will bring your car out, your car interior. I'm talking about it look like it's glowing. Somebody know what I'm talking about. And this right here, I'm finna do these new. The seals, I'm finna do all that new. Cause y'all see that rip? Yeah, I'm finna order all that. Put new seal, all that. Door gonna be jam tight, the whole 9. So I need these pieces though. I know they did on the passenger side. So if anybody have these pieces right here, let me know. Cause they so light and small, man. I pay shipping and everything. It don't even matter if you out of state. So if you have these pieces, the chrome and the bolts, I need the bolts too, the screws too. If you have these pieces, let me know. Cause I don't want all that looking like that. So please, if you have these, let me know. I'll buy them from you. Let me know the price. I need that one. I think this one, while I'm on the video, yep, I need that one too. And let me go back around. I think I got the one on the front driver side, if I remember right. Yeah, it's the driver side, so I just need the passenger side. Oh, and if somebody got that, let me know. Cause if not, I'm finna go on a search. Somebody got that, let me know. But yeah, everything else, I catch as I need. But like I said, I pay attention to the little small stuff. It bring your car out. Cause yeah, when this thing get ready, it's gonna be ready. Got to have that front end tight. Y'all see that front end looking good? I'm gonna get the black pieces go right here. They always break. They always break. I look at box Chevys all the time, boy. Them things be gone. Y'all see they going off the meats too. Thing always break, but I'm getting all that. So that's it, man. That's it for this video. I'm gonna be coming with them back to back. Long as we keep having that pretty weather. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I appreciate y'all. I'm out.